Hello Sudoku friends, welcome to another day, and it's Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, December 29th 2021. Yes, 2 days to go. Yeah, let's start the countdown again. 2 days to go. We have 2 days left. Okay. And in this daily newspaper, we have three regular Sudokus. First one, binary. Second one, medium. Third one, killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. And we have good news. In this newspaper, we have an additional with extra puzzles. I believe 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. So let's start with the first one. This binary puzzle will be number 3, 8, and 9. Alright. 3899. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright? So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. A double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Let me see. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. A double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. A double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 5 1's we have here. So the rest are O's. Oh, right. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then. Am I stuck? Seems to be. Well, when I see a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and this is number 5. Okay. Same for this column. When I see an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this should be a 1. Okay. Then. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes an O. Overlook this one, yes. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Then. And I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Alright. Think. Here. Again, between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. And I know between an 1 and an O with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth 1. So this box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5, the fifth O here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5, the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yes, completed in 7 minutes. Alright. Great, by the way. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku it will be. So see you then. Bye bye for now.